Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application. That's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap here to open the app and click enable in settings. Then near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap OK. After that, tap again OK, and then just go back. After that, click switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, and one will go, for example, to the app search. Here we can see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.